I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the earth.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Tank the line.
The last man to set foot on the lunar surface said this as he left: "We leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return, with peace and hope for all mankind. America will make those words come true."
Main engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have booster ignition and liftoff.
Returning the shuttle to safe flight is essential in the whole vision that the President laid out. The fact is, completing the International Space Station is part of that vision, and the only way you can do that is with the space shuttle. This vehicle has proven itself throughout the years of operation. I would say right now, human spaceflight hangs in the balance on us getting the shuttle returned to flight safely. We've got to get it right. We know how to do this. I think if you understand how complex this vehicle is, you realize that some black boxes or components that come in, there's thousands and thousands of them on the shuttle itself, and that each person that touches that component has a part in how this vehicle operates. You realize that the process control is absolutely essential to making sure we get this right. If one thing goes wrong, if we don't solder a wire properly or we don't do a weld properly, the consequences of that is loss of vehicle or loss of crew.
Where do we want to go?
Where do we want to go?
Return to flight, International Space Station.
The moon?
Mars?
Beyond?
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 I want to get back to flying safely.
Get back to flying safely.
Safely. Space Station.
The International Space Station?
Finish the International Space Station.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go? How do we get there?
How do we get there?
Process control gets us there.
Process control gets us there.
Let's make history.
We do not know where this journey will end, yet we know this: human beings are headed into the cosmos.